Hello! In this tutorial, I will show you how to set up a calculated natural ventilation simulation and review some of the key simulation results. I will use the Design Builder tutorial example model from the templates available in the
You can access the full tutorial from Design Builder's website here. This page contains our extensive range of free tutorials, including an introduction to the software and more details on Design Builder's key capabilities and workflows. The tutorials are all short, enabling you to quickly and easily view the most important details in your areas of interest. They provide an excellent guide for anyone wanting to evaluate Design Builder. A direct link to this specific tutorial is included in the video description.